Party MLA. However, what we are told that they still haven't gained access to his house.
Yes, it's high drama happened when ED reached his residence at around 6:30. Before that, as you can see from videos which are viral, repeatedly from his family members, in which ED officials want to enter his house and carry out searches, and his wife Amanatullah Khan claimed that he has sought at least 4 weeks' time before appearing for them. This entire case also stems from two predicate offences filed by the CBI and the other one filed by the ACB of Delhi government. Both of them pertain to the irregularities in the Delhi Waqf Board, and Amanatullah Khan was searched. His premises were searched by the Enforcement Directorate. He was never named as an accused of the prosecution complaint, but in April he was questioned for a very long time. What ED has said is that from the proceeds of private properties worth at least 32 crore rupees were purchased in and around Okhla, that is in southeast Delhi. Now, to show that he was not involved, the circle rate as well as the market value of these properties were kept very low. They have also said that there are some transaction or at least some reported diary entries. These charges have completely been denied and debunked by Amanatullah Khan. What we are actually seeing are very dramatic visuals which have been shown to us by our colleague Sabya. Paramilitary forces are present outside Amanatullah Khan. Now, he was arrested in 2022 by the ACB. He was then released on bail. There are cases against him and he has been under scanner of several agencies, whether it's Delhi Police or whether it's Enforcement Directorate or CBI. His wife also said that her mother is unwell, and if anything happens to her, she will knock the doors of the court. He is out on bail in ED's complaint that was filed for non-compliance of summons. Now, ED claims that they have repeatedly issuing summons, but when the complaint was filed by the Enforcement Directorate, he was released on a bail of around 50,000 rupees. Now, what sources have told us is that yes, ED teams are there at his residence. Whether the raids actually fructify or whether they have entered his premises, one has to wait and see. He has also released a video which allegedly is shot at around 7 a.m. in the morning. Right. He claims that ED teams have entered his house. Though officially ED has not said whether they have entered his house or not, but they have said that they have reached his house, and this case again pertains to the alleged irregularities in the Waqf Board.
Right, we played out that video of Amanatullah Khan there. Bhavtosh, let's quickly get a first-hand update from Sabyasachi, who's right there outside his residence. Sabyasachi, what have been the details till now that we have been speaking? Is the ED team still waiting outside?
Well, we'll try to show you the visuals. As per the security deployed out here, the Enforcement Directorate is still waiting outside. They have not got access inside Amanatullah's residence. Meanwhile, the entire lane has been filled with Delhi Police and the Central Forces who have been deployed in large numbers outside Amanatullah's residence. And as per the reports, the confrontation is still going on, as the Enforcement Directorate has still not got access inside Amanatullah's residence, as he has not opened the door of his apartment. Now, clearly, Amanatullah Khan has been alleging that the Enforcement Directorate is here to arrest him. Now, he says that all the notices that has been sent to him by the Enforcement Directorate, he has in fact given a reply to all these notices. Now, he has in fact written to the Enforcement Directorate to give him time till 4 weeks, as his mother-in-law has undergone a surgery. The Enforcement Directorate is here to arrest him. Now, in that confrontation between between Amanatullah Khan and the Enforcement Directorate, clearly the Enforcement Directorate official who was present outside Amanatullah Khan residence clearly was saying that how can Amanatullah Khan assume that they are here to arrest. So clearly the confrontation is going on, and the Enforcement Directorate till now has got access inside Amanatullah Khan's residence.
All right, with the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and MPs also quickly coming out to rally behind Amanatullah Khan, condemning the ED's action and claiming that the leader would be arrested, claiming that this is nothing but political vendetta, as how central agencies are being misused. Amanatullah Khan also posting a video on social media and accusing the government of targeting him and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders, saying that is this a crime to serve people honestly, and how long will this dictatorship last? That is how Amanatullah Khan has been reacting ever since he has posted this video. We are yet to confirm if, as far as the ED teams are concerned, they have been waiting outside his residence for a significant amount of time. Security that has been beefed up in that entire lane, which leads up to his residence in Okhla. BJP has already been reacting, saying that he should come out clean.
पार्टी कट्टर भ्रष्टाचारी पार्टी है। अमानतुल्लाह खान को ये पता होना चाहिए कि जब वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में गए थे और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने उन्होंने अर्जी दाखिल करी थी कि इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट के सामने वो अपीयर नहीं होंगे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अर्जी खारिज कर दी थी। ये कट्टर भ्रष्टाचारियों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ जेल जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि यही लॉ ऑफ द लैंड कहता है कि जो भ्रष्टाचार करेगा वो जेल जाएगा।
Right, that is how the BJP has been reacting. Of course, we are trying to get as many reactions as possible. But this morning, high drama that has been witnessed outside the residence of Amanatullah Khan, the Aam Aadmi Party leader. He says the ED team has reached his residence early this morning.